Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. Today is actually Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day to everybody. This video will go up after Memorial Day, but I hope everybody had a good Memorial Day despite everything that's going on in the world right now. It is very hot here today, so I kind of toned back on my makeup a little bit. It's much more natural, not wearing foundation. I'm just not feeling that today because it is hot. But today's video, I want to bring you guys a look at my Boxycharm Premium box for the month of May 2020. I just got this yesterday, so the 24th. Yes, it did take a while to get there, or to get here. I understand with everything that's going on. Mail is particularly slow these days, but I'm happy that I finally got it, you know. I'm just happy to have it. It's not lost. It's here, so for those of you who do not know, Boxycharm Premium is a $35 a month subscription. You do get charged every month, and you get, I believe, 6 to 7 full-size items with this subscription. And there is a wait list that when you sign up, you are on a wait list until they can fit you in to get you the box. Generally, these days, I feel like if you sign up for the wait list, you will definitely get next month's box, but you know, I'm still not too sure about how the waitlist works. So the box is bigger than the typical Boxycharm box because it does come with more items, and they are supposed to be, I guess, a little like a step up from what you generally get in your normal box. It is supposed to be a little more premium. I believe you're guaranteed to get a $250 value out of this box, so without further ado, let's just open it up. And if you've never seen what it looks like inside, it comes in blue, and it does specifically say Boxycharm Premium, and then it has a little foam insert, and then giving you just a peek of what I got in my box. Here is what the products look like. Unfortunately, this month I did not get an insert card with my box, but you can actually go online and it'll give you a digital insert card online, so I will be looking at my digital insert card to kind of tell you information about these products. So the first thing that I'm actually going to pull out is from Skin & Co., and this is the Truffle Therapy Restructuring Truffle Eye Concentrate. So it is an eye cream, 15 milliliters, 5 fluid ounces. This says it retails for $66, and it says, created to target the appearance of tired eyes, puffiness, bags, dark circles, and signs of aging. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate has been perfected through decades of research to hydrate, nourish, and rejuvenate the delicate eye contour. So we have gotten products from Skin & Co. before, in particular this Truffle Therapy line. So let me just open this up and kind of show y'all what it looks like. So you do get a huge box for such a little tub of product. So here it is, the Truffle Therapy jar. I am currently going through a few eye creams right now. I believe I have 2 open, which is stupid on my part. I should really only have 1 open, but I'm not going to use this right now. But this is basically what it looks like, just a white eye cream, and it smells like their other Truffle Therapy line. So if you've ever smelled the Truffle line, I don't know like what it's supposed to smell like, if that's what truffles are supposed to smell like, but this line in particular does have a very unique scent that is specific to it. We got the face gommage in a previous box, and that smells exactly like how this smells. So if you're a little sensitive to fragrances around your eye area, I would be maybe a little bit wary of this because it does have a scent. So yeah, I'm not necessarily upset with getting this. I just don't know when I will actually get around to using it. But if it can reduce, you know, puffiness, dark circles, etc., like it says it can, then this could potentially be really good for my under eyes because I have all of that. So the next product that I am pulling out is this product from Milk Makeup, and this is their Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. And this is in the shade Flare, and I know a lot of people were complaining saying this is a sample size, this is very small, not full size, but as far as I know, this product by Milk only comes in this particular size. And so let me just quickly take this out of the package to kind of show you guys what it looks like. So I've never actually used Milk makeup products before. Of course, I've heard a ton about them, but I've never actually used anything by Milk. So as far as I can tell, it does have a little protective stopper on it. This looks like an orange shade. and it is an oil, so I would almost imagine if it's extremely hot, it might melt. So here is what the oil looks like. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but it is shimmery. Just putting a little bit of it on my hand. There it is. I don't know how well you can see that, but since it is an oil, it is a cream product, and it does have actually some very nice looking shimmer in it. And it's not so much orangey as it is pinky. I don't know if you can see how that blended in, but it actually blended in pretty well. And I will definitely give this a go. I'm not the biggest fan of cream products, but I've been interested in trying some things from Milk Makeup. They're kind of an interesting brand in my opinion, and this isn't like super gross or anything. I actually quite like looking at it. I didn't know if I would necessarily like this bright orange color, but it actually shears out and looks very pretty on the skin. So let me read you about this one. Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. This retails for $15. And it just says a sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint for a lit from within glow on the go. So you can use this on your cheeks or your lips. I would probably use this as a blush. Maybe on like very basic natural days, but I am not upset with getting this. So the next product in here is the Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. We did get a product by Sugar Rush, or from Sugar Rush by Tarte in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, at least I did. And I have nothing wrong with getting Sugar Rush products. I quite enjoy Tarte as a brand. So this packaging, first of all, very cute. Got daisies all on the inside. And then if you pull this out, and for reference, this is in the shade Peony. So here is what the component looks like. Super cute, as I would expect from anything by Sugar Rush. So it looks like a little rose maybe. So here it is. And I did actually put some of this on today because I just wanted to test it out. So here is the product. That's why it looks like there's got a dip in it. And it is a super, like, it says it's a lip butter balm. It is definitely a butter balm. It is very buttery in consistency. It feels nice on the lips. I mean, I love lip balms. I love lip products like this, so I have no complaints with this. And for reference, it smells very cakey, like sugary, vanilla-y. It's very sweet smelling, and you know, I greatly enjoy the smell of that. So reading up on this product, Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm retails for $12. You'll have the real MVP, most valuable pout, with this hydrating butter lip balm. Your lips will look as good as your perfectly curated IG feed. Okay, that's a little weird write-up for it, but I have nothing wrong with getting a lip balm. I know a lot of people were actually complaining about this month's box just because the contents that are in it, like, it's all very mini things, but I feel like it's very useful things as well. I love lip balms, so I'm perfectly okay with that. The next product, this has gotten a little bit of controversy. This is a Kat Von D Inkwell tattoo liner. Is that what it's called? Or just an inkwell liner, longwear matte eyeliner, and I think it's actually pretty unique because this in particular is in the shade Lolita, so it is not a black shade, it is actually something that's not black eyeliner. So I think that's pretty cool, but I feel like a lot of people are just so over Kat Von D as a whole that they don't enjoy receiving something like this, but I'm not really one of those kinds of people to completely boycott a brand. I know she did step away from her makeup brand. Apparently she's no longer associated with it. I don't know how much they're going to rebrand, but I'm honestly fine with getting this, like, whatever. This, it does say KVD Vegan Beauty Inkwell Liquid Liner, retails for $20. Meet KVD Vegan Beauty's most bulletproof eyeliner yet. Inkwell Liner's super innovative formula sets the bar even higher with extreme longwear and waterproof, transfer-proof, smudge-proof performance. So you do have to shake it, so if you can hear it. And this is like an inkwell pot, so don't tip this because all of the liner is inside of there. Just getting it up slowly. It is a rather liquidy formula. I've never tried these inkwell liners from Kat Von D, so let's just see what it looks like swatching. So it does look pretty. It's a very unique shade, which, yeah, I can see some people having issues with receiving a color like this, but I'm actually very interested to see how this performs and works, because this would be a shade that I would wear. Like, I'm not opposed to wearing something like this, so I'm not necessarily upset with getting that. I think it's kind of cool that we got something other than a black eyeliner for once. The next thing in my box is this Pureheals by Nature Village Centella 90 Ampoule. So this is a face serum. So it says on the back, soothing ampoule, which contains Centella asiatica extract. So it relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. How to use after cleansing, even out skin tone with a toner, and apply a moderate amount of the product onto your face. So it is a serum. And as far as I know, this is a K-Beauty brand, so I think that's pretty cool to be getting, you know, a lot more K-Beauty in these kinds of boxes now. This one, Pureheals Centella 90 Ampoule Serum, retails for $28. A soothing serum containing 90% of Centella asiatica, sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that, extract, relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. So if I take this out of the package, here's what our bottle looks like. It is a dark green bottle with some liquid in it. And opening it up, just to give it a whiff, it has a very essential oil kind of smell to it, kind of medicinal. It is quite strong. I could see some people being a little off-put by the scent, but I actually enjoy the scent. It kind of almost smells like tea tree. I'm just going to take a little bit that is kind of collecting on the cap just to rub it in and see how it feels. And basically feels like a serum. And I feel actually rubbing it into my skin, the smell has pretty much dissipated, so I don't imagine that the smell would linger on your skin, because I honestly can't smell it now that it's rubbed into my skin. So I am interested in trying this because I do have very sensitive skin and my skin does get very red and irritated. So, you know, this is another product that, like, I'm curious to try and I'm not really, like, upset about getting. And then the standout of my box, I feel like this kind of pays for the whole box for me. Like, I actually like all the other products, but this is kind of like the one thing I was really hoping to get, because of course, like, Boxycharm, they have various variations each month, and this one, I think you could get this or a Kevyn Aucoin mascara. So I'm very happy that I actually got this, and this is the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. So I don't have too much from Too Faced, but I am interested in some of their products. So I clearly don't have this. I'm happy to get this in my box. So opening it up, and here's what it looks like. Of course, it's beautiful packaging. I feel like Too Faced really, like, hits the nail on the head in their packaging front. I just absolutely adore their packaging. And then when you open this up, it is like a magnetic closure, and this is a completely matte palette. So here are the shades in it. So it's very neutral, everyday, matte, wearable shades. Kind of gotta twist this a little to show you what the shades actually look like. So this is the Too Faced Cosmetics. On here it says Natural Eyes Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. This is actually the Natural Matte Palette. Does retail for $38. The Beloved palette has been updated with the Too Faced exclusive coconut butter infused formula for creamier and more comfortable wear. So yes, they did actually reformulate this product. I think before it was in a tin packaging. They reformulated it and put it in here, so it is their updated new formula. So let me just swatch a couple of these. I'm interested. Let's go ahead and swatch this one called Nude Rolls. Too Faced is a little risque with some of the way they name some of their products. Let's go ahead and go to this one next to here. This is called Cleavage. Okay. So it is rather light. I might not be pressing into it too hard. This is Risky Biz. So yeah, that swatch is pretty good for a matte. I feel like they do feel creamy, buttery, nice. and I'm very happy to receive this actually. I don't have too many all matte palettes. I do like a little bit of shimmer, but on a day like today, I'm actually wearing all matte on my eyes because I just felt like doing an extremely neutral look today. So that is all of the products that I got in my box. So let's give this box a rating. So since I did get 6 products in this one, I'm going to rate it potentially like a 6 out of 6 star box. So the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette, I'm going to give 1.2. Very excited for that. The Pureheals Centella Ampoule Serum, I'm going to give a 0.2. I'm excited for that, and I hope it actually does what it claims. The Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm, I'm going to give a 0.2. I love lip butters. I love stuff like that. The Milk Makeup Stick, I am going to give a 0.2 because I'm actually very curious about this, and I'm curious about the brand Milk in general, and I think it's really cool that they're giving us Milk products now, and I hope that they can give us some more Milk products in the future. The Skin & Co. Truffle Eye Therapy Eye Cream, I'm going to give half a 0.2 because it's like, I'm not super excited about it. I'm fine with getting it. I have a lot of other eye creams like on the back burner. I will get to that eventually, so it's not something that I'm like jumping up and down for joy to receive. And then this Kat Von D Liquid Inkwell Liner, I'm going to also give half a 0.2. I'm fine with receiving this. It's just, you know, eyeliner is kind of like meh when I receive it. I go through eyeliner kind of slowly, but I'm not like upset about getting that. So overall, this would be like a 5 out of 6 box. I'm actually very happy with the products that I'm getting. I'm not like complaining like everybody else this month. I'm actually quite excited and happy to use these products. So I want to actually quickly add up the total retail value of the box and tell y'all what it comes out to. So I think at the beginning of the video I said it's supposed to be $250 or more of retail value. Scratch that, I actually think it's $175 or more of retail value. This box does come to $179, so it is $4 above that mark. So overall, like, if you're going to be using these products and if you find value in this, I think it is an amazing value for the price. I mean, that Too Faced palette basically paid for the box for me. It did actually. This eye cream is apparently $66. It's like you're getting a good value for what you're paying. It's just you need to ask yourself, are you going to use these products? You know, that's basically the big thing with subscription boxes. So anyway, that is my entire Boxycharm Premium for the month of May 2020. If you guys have liked what you've seen, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it all. And until next time, guys, I'll see y'all later. Bye.